Hello, I am Vasya, your driving instructor. Join our club of responsible drivers and drive safely, correctly, and without fines. Today, we will practice a topic that even experienced drivers often struggle with: intersections and turns. It seems simple, but in fact, there are many nuances, and only a small portion of our viewers do it correctly. So, imagine the situation. Two cars are turning left onto a divided highway. And here's the main question: which cars are turning correctly? Options: A, car A, B, car B, C, both cars, D, neither car. Pause the video, think about it, and write your answer in the comments. I'll set a timer and give you 10 seconds to decide. I hope you had time to choose your answer, because we are moving on to a detailed analysis. When you make a turn, especially to the left, there is one basic rule that all drivers should know. Namely, you should cross as few lanes as possible. In other words, you first move into the nearest lane that is moving in the direction of your turn. Only if road markings or signs allow another option. Then you can do otherwise. Now let's return to our example. Car A did everything right. It first turned into the nearest lane and then smoothly changed into the far lane. In other words, the driver followed the rule and reduced the number of lanes crossed. Car B, on the other hand, immediately turned into the far lane. This is a serious mistake that could cause an accident. Therefore, the correct answer is A, car A. Congratulations to everyone who chose it. Subscribe to my channel so that the police never stop you for mistakes and your trips are calm and safe.